Samsung has officially released the One UI 8.5 stable update for Galaxy S25 users, S24 users, and many other Samsung Galaxy devices. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the top new features and biggest changes included in the latest One UI 8.5 stable update for Samsung Galaxy users. Let's check out the top 5 changes in this update. First up is the new Screen Recorder UI change. Simply swipe down the notification panel twice and tap on the Screen Recorder icon. Here you'll notice the Screen Recorder option has been updated with a cleaner new design. Samsung also added a new partial screen recording feature in the latest update. This allows you to record only a specific part of your screen instead of the entire display, which is super useful for tutorials and gameplay recordings. The second major change is smoother animations in the Quick panel. Swipe down the notification panel twice, then tap on the pencil icon. Now long press any quick toggle, and you'll immediately notice the animations feel much smoother and more fluid in One UI 8.5 compared to One UI 8. You can also resize and customize the Quick panel layout much more easily now. Overall, the UI feels faster, cleaner, and more premium. Third is the updated folder settings menu. Just long press any folder on your home screen and app drawer and tap on the settings gear icon. Now you can customize the folder name, change folder colors, and even adjust the folder background opacity. Samsung added more personalization options, making folders look cleaner and more customizable than before. The fourth change is the redesigned search bar. When you swipe up to open the app drawer, you'll now see a smaller and cleaner search bar at the bottom, along with an updated microphone icon. In older One UI versions, the search bar looked larger and simpler, but now Samsung has redesigned it to look more modern and minimal. And finally, the fifth big feature is the brand new Creative Studio Under. To access it, simply tap and hold on the home screen, then go to Wallpapers and Style. Here you'll find the new Creative Studio option inside the Create with AI section. Samsung added several AI-powered tools that let you create custom stickers, AI wallpapers, greeting cards, profile images, and much more. We already created full video about Creative Studio. Please check it out. So these are the top 5 major changes and features in the latest One UI 8.5 stable update for Samsung Galaxy devices. Let me know in the comments which feature is your favorite. Thanks for watching.